back to the channel, y'all. In this video, we're gonna be trying out the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew. We're gonna see how much clarity with this put on the paint. It says Scratch Repair and Renew, scratches, paint transfer, and swirl marks. Precise palette safe remove scratches, swirl, paint transfer, water spots, and more. Alright guys, this here repairs damaged paint. I want to see how much clarity will give my green Honda Accord here. This is what I've been working on lately. And we're just playing around with it, having a little fun with it. Trying to see what it's gonna do. Alright, so let's go ahead and work it in on this fender area here. And let's see how much more clarity will it give my paint. Alright. Guys, no need to clean your cars too good. That daggone pollen ain't no joke, man. I think you're almost wasting time. The minute you wipe it off, pollen start getting back on. That's how major it is now. So I'm just gonna work it in here and see if oxidize whatever the raised surface is. That's where the oxidation is, guys. You could take all that stuff away. Alright, once you work this product on the panel, you can go ahead on and buff it off. You don't have to wait for it to sit or none of that stuff, which is a good thing. And to remove water spots and paint transfer, swirl marks, and oxidation. And it's got a sealer in here. Now the good thing about this product is seals. So pretty much after you're done working it in, you don't have to come behind and protect it with nothing unless you want to. Alright, so let's take it off. Go. Let's try to see how much more clarity will it give my paint. Man, this stuff so far is looking good. Now when you flip your rag, you can see some of the paint transfer or paint oxidation or whatever. You're gonna see it coming off on the rag anyway. See here, you can see it coming off. So let's flip the rag over here to the clean side. Alright, let's hit it. Now once you smooth it out, you know, that's where your gloss come from. Let's take this part of the hood and this stuff off right here. And once you smooth it out, that's where that gloss will automatically come from. See, that's the key. If you don't get it smooth as you should, somebody doing a lot of blowing there. Must be mighty happy. There. All right. Let's go ahead on. And you can start to see the clarity come out in the paint. Check that out. Look at the gloss. Oh yeah, this amazing product here. That gloss, man. You can see outstanding gloss here. Check this out. Alright. Okay, so you can actually see how much clarity it puts on the paint here. The wind started to get up a little bit. Well, I can tell you guys, don't let that deter you. This stuff is very slick too. Alright, see that on the paint. Now you can take this, you can come behind it If you want extra protection, it's on you. And yeah, you can really make that paint pop even more with that extra protection. Look at the gloss there. So yeah, so you guys see it, man. So anyway, y'all stay tuned, man. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification. Let's look at it from a distance right quick. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Till next time, your boy's out. Give this a try, man. Peace.